Well, today's windy weather also raising worries about a possible increase in valley fever cases. Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Roldan joins us live from outside our studio with what valley fever is and how you can stay safe. Michelle.
That's right. Kern County is one of the top counties in the state for valley fever, according to the California Department of Public Health. And today's strong winds kicked up a lot of dust across the valley, raising concerns about people's health. Now, here's a few things that you can look out for during these windy conditions. When winds blow dirt and dust into the air, people can breathe in the spores and get sick. Spores of a fungus living in the soil and when breathed in can cause valley fever. This can affect many who live, work, go to school, or travel through parts of the valley. Kern County Public Health warned locals today to take precautions amid these dusty conditions, especially for people with pre-existing conditions. They say to limit outdoor activities during windy weather, wear a N95 mask if you need to be outside, keep windows and doors closed, and set your car's air conditioning to recirculate air. San Joaquin Valley Air District Chief Communications Officer Jamie Holt, however, tells me the upcoming rain may be good news in terms of the dust.
Hopefully it will bring with it enough power and enough force that it will tamp down some of this dust, and going into the next few days, we shouldn't see the dust blowing like it has been this afternoon.
But according to the California Department of Public Health, not so good news for the valley fever fungus. The fungus is believed to be inactive during long dry periods as less people breathe it in. But when rain returns, the fungus grows, and as the ground dries out, spores will continue to spread through dust in the air. Symptoms usually appear 1 to 3 weeks after exposure. Common symptoms include fatigue, cough, trouble breathing, fever, night sweats, muscle or joint pain, chest pain, weight loss, and rashes on the skin. Symptoms can last for weeks or even months, and some people may not have symptoms at all. For more information or resources on valley fever, you can visit kernpublichealth.com. In Bakersfield, Michelle Roldan, Eyewitness News.